Fear is not trying to protect you. It's trying to trap you. It whispers before every big step you take, and that whisper is the only reason you stay stuck. But today, that whisper loses its power. I'm going to show you how to make fear work for you instead of against you. Fear doesn't shout. It's quiet. It says, "What if you fail? What if people laugh? Just wait for the right time." It sounds like caution, but it's really a trap, because the right time never comes. And the longer you listen, the smaller your world gets. Here's the shift. Stop treating fear as a stop sign. Start treating it as a compass. If something scares you, that means it matters. That means it's worth doing. So next time fear shows up, don't ask, "How do I avoid this?" Ask, "What is this trying to show me?" Fear points at growth, not danger. Every time you feel fear, you have 5 seconds before your mind builds an excuse. Use them. You think about sending that message. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it. You think about raising your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise it. Don't wait to feel brave. Move first. Courage shows up after the action, not before. You don't need one huge leap. You need small, brave acts every single day. Say the thing you're scared to say. Ask the question you're scared to ask. Try the thing you might fail at. Each one is tiny, but each one tells your mind, "I am not afraid of you anymore." Most people wait to feel fearless, but brave people never wait. They feel the fear and they act anyway. Tell yourself, "I'm not fearless. I just stopped letting fear decide for me." Do one scary thing today, then do it again tomorrow. You're not just building courage, you're building a new version of yourself. One fear can't control anymore. That old version, the one who waits and hides, he's done today. From now on, you move first.